Alright guys, so I've been playing around with the game filter option on any Nvidia graphics card. So what I wanted to do is, this place looks as good as any. Let's just go into a building here in Call of Duty Warzone. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull up the game filters option in my GeForce Experience overlay, and I'm going to enable this filter. What I've done is I basically killed the shadows, upped the gamma, and the result of this, I mean, that's pretty substantial in terms of just visibility. And I'm sure you could tweak this and get it to a place that is gonna be, you know, maybe even better. I did this with very little time or effort. Obviously outside here, things look a little bit brighter perhaps. Nothing substantial, but inside here, you are getting pretty dramatically reduced appearance of shadows here, which could 100% give you an advantage inside a building where it happens to be darker. So this is with it off again, and back on. I mean, obviously, look, just from a aesthetic perspective, it looks better, you know, how it's supposed to be. Go figure. But from a performance perspective, from the perspective of, you know, I want to be able to see enemies, I would think that this is superior. What about sharpen? 100% is too much. Okay, but you know what? That looks pretty darn good. So now you've got a look that is both brighter and sharper than it should be. Will this make it easier for me to spot enemies? See if I can spot these guys any more readily. Okay, I think I just saw him inside that building. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. You don't want to fight, I guess. What do you guys think? Is that easier to see? Does that look like an advantage? Looks like he's just kind of doing donuts, huh? What is that? Okay. I'm so confused. What's going on here, guys? Alright, guys, so, you know, I don't think this is a feature of the Nvidia graphics cards that a lot of people really know about or ever talk about, and it may be providing some people a little bit of an advantage. So let me know in the comments below if you think this is an unfair advantage and what you think should be done about it, if any. Are you using this? Do people already know about this widely and maybe I just was out of the loop? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay nerdy, my friends. I've been playing with the filters that Nvidia has in the GeForce Experience, and I found a mode that is reminiscent of how the world appears to me without my corrective lenses, my glasses on. It's kind of scary. Kind of scary, you know? I don't I don't feel safe.